Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lima beans, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with lima beans. So if you're looking for some ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, bacon goes well with lima beans, as do other beans and green beans in particular. Chicken, ham, pork, and seafood all go well with lima beans. In the way of vegetables, there's bell peppers, carrots, chives, cucumber, eggplant, fennel, kale, leeks, lettuce, mushrooms, onions, scallions, spinach, squash, and we're talking winter and summer squash, tomatoes, and tomato paste. In the way of fruits, there's lemon and olives. In the way of grains and grain products, there's corn, quinoa, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy category, there's butter, buttermilk, cheese, especially cheddar cheese, feta, and Parmesan cheese, cream, and yogurt. And then in the other foods category, there is molasses, oil, especially olive oil, tamari, vinegar, especially cider vinegar and red wine vinegar, and then wine, as in dry white wine. I do hope this helps and gives you some ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.